Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm and wake up with Spotify music or any kind of music that you like. Let's get started. First, what we have to do is go to Play Store, and in here you want to type Mornify, and after that you will see this app. You want to install this because this is the app that we will use to set an alarm with music on. Now once you have installed it, let's go open the app, and in here let's just close this. And just a heads up, when you first open this app you will be greeted with an offer that you can start your 3-day free trial for the premium version of this app. So it's up to you if you want to activate it or not. So when you're here, now let's go ahead and set up our alarm. Let's say this one for example, and we want to add a music to our alarm. And here you can basically search any song here. This has a library as wide as Spotify almost. Then let's say whatever song you want. So let's say we just want Taylor Swift songs, and just type on Taylor Swift. Then you will see all the Taylor Swift songs available here that you can use as your alarm. Everything here. You even have playlists here. And that's basically it. Let's say you want to slave in their haze and add song to alarm, and now it is added. It will now play when our alarm goes off. And you also have an option here, by the way, that you can also import from your local files or your playlist or your favorite song, so you can customize the song library that you want. And now let's go back, and here you can also enter a description, and you can choose if it vibrates or not, or you have the option if you want to snooze and the repeat alarm through all the days in the weeks. So now when you're satisfied with your settings, you can now hit unsave, and that is that. You can now wake up with a sweet song and that you like. So there, if ever that you can find the song that you like here, if you search for the song and you can find it, then I have another option for you. Then you can just proceed here to TubeMate, and here this is a YouTube library, and I think this has everything that has Spotify in it except for the specific podcast, but I assume that you don't want those for an alarm. So yes, you can also use TubeMate to download the songs here, and from here you want to choose local files because you downloaded the song there, and you just gotta allow it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.